Good day everyone, this is Isos and this is our first problem para sa problems na solve natin sa chapter 2 which is the road vehicle for performance and ito yung mga kasaling topic sa loob ng chapter na to. So, let's start with the first question. So, a new sports car has a drag coefficient of 0.30. So, sulat natin siya. Drag coefficient, so ibig sabihin CD equals 0.30. And a frontal area of 21 feet squared. So, frontal area is AF, 21 feet squared. And is traveling at 110 miles per hour. So, yan yung velocity natin. 110 miles per hour. And how much power is required to overcome aerodynamic drag if density is 0.002378 slugs per feet cube. So, ang required natin dito is yung power na kailangan nating isolve para ma-overcome yung aerodynamic drag. So, ang tawag dyan is yung the variable PRA. So, ang formula niya is, ang equation na gagamitin natin is PRA is equal to density over 2 CDAF V cube. So, ang gagawin natin dito is pwede mo siyang isolve ng diretsyo ng naka-English units, pero isolve natin siya as naka-metric system. So, i-convert natin yung mga values. So, 21 feet squared, multiply natin siya by 1 feet. Alam natin na 0.3048 meters. So, since naka-square siya, square natin to. So, that would be equal to 21 times 0.3048 squared. That is 1.95096 meters squared. Tapos, ito namang 110 miles per hour, convert din natin siya. So, that would be 1 mile is 1609.344 meters. Tapos, yung hours natin, 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So, cancel natin to. Tapos, yung hour cancel. So, ang tira nating unit is meter per second. So, equals. So, 110 times 1609.344 divided by 3,600. That is 49.1744 meters per second. So, convert din natin tong slug na to. So, 0.002378 slugs per feet cube. So, alam natin na 1 slug is equal to 14.594 kilograms. So, feet natin, 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. Tapos, since naka-cube to, i-cube din natin to para ma-cancel yung, ng buo yung feet cube. So, cancel na to. Then, cancel na rin yung slug. So, what we're left with is kilogram per meter cube. So, calculate natin siya, 0.002378 times 14.594 divided by 0.3048. Tama. 0.3048 cube. That is 1.22558 kilogram per meter cube. So ngayon, since na-convert na natin lahat sa metric system, which is by the way, you can skip if English na lang ang i-calculate nyo. So, yan. You can skip this part and diretso na kayo mag-substitute. Pero, kinonvert ko muna siya sa metric system. So, check natin kung lahat na variable sa formula is nandyan na or na available na sa atin. So, density meron na, drag coefficient meron na din, frontal area meron na, velocity meron na din. So, direct substitution lang tong problem na to. So, density is 1.22558 kilogram per meter cube all over 2. CD natin is 0.30. Tapos AF natin is 21 feet. Ay, sorry. Di pala. AF natin is ito na, yung kinonvert natin, 1.95096 times V natin is ito, 49.1744 cube. So that would be equal to 558 all over 2 times 0.30 times 1.95096 times 49.1744 cube. That would be equal to 42,647.98318 watts. So, paano ko ba nakuha yung unit niya? So, makakahanap din na i-try natin kung paano malaman yung unit para just in case may namali tayong unit, hindi na siya makaka-affect sa answer natin. So, itong density is kilogram per meter cube, nasulat na natin. Tapos 0.30 is, drag coefficient is always unitless. Tapos, ang 1.95096 meter squared siya. Tapos, ang velocity naman is meter per second. Pero since naka-cube, ang unit niyan is meter cube second cube kasi distribute na natin yung cube niya. So, ang makakancel dito is itong meter cube na to. Since nasa ano siya, wait, para mas ma-imagine natin. Ganito yung itsura ng unit natin. So, cancel natin tong meter cube. Tapos, yan, wala na tayong pwede makancel. So, ang tira na unit sa atin is kilogram meter squared all over second cube. Tapos, alam natin na ang kilogram meter per second squared is Newton. So, kilogram meter per second. So, magigitong meter. Tapos, second na lang. So, Newton meters per second, which is actually equal to watts. So, ang unit ng answer natin dito is watts. So, ang final answer natin would be 42,647.6352 watts. So, yan na yung final answer sa problem na to.